start.
Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Amritpal Kaur and today I'm going to talk about Google INC marketing planning and global strategy with my colleagues. Their names are Ramanpreet Kaur, Shibin Shibu and Nivas. Firstly, I give the brief introduction of Google INC. Google is a multinational technology corporation. It develops and hosts internet-based services and products. Google is one of the biggest search engines in internet and it processes a billion searches. Also, Google has gathered the first position in search engine industry. It gives most accurate results for the searches. Google is one of the most dominant search engines in United States with a market share of 65%. Google also provides some other online softwares and focuses on artificial intelligence, search engine technology, online advertising, cloud computing, computer software, e-commerce, and consumer electronics. Google missions to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. Google search makes it easy to discover a broad range of information from a wide variety of sources. Google Android phones offers its users free access to Google Maps and provide navigation and communication. Google currently pursue the unique business level strategy of differentiation. Google offers many unique products and services to many different kinds of customers by offering so many distinct products and services. Google is able to achieve a competitive advantage. Now I pass the next slide to Ramnapreet.
Yes, hi everyone. Here I'd like to talk about differentiation strategy for Google. First and foremost is the method used by the businesses to create original items that stands out from those supplied by their rivals in the market. Secondly, Google provides service to showcase its differentiating strategy. For instance, we need to give it an idea it finds, sometimes it correct, and sometimes it only immediately shows us. Not only this, the company's broad use of innovation has made it possible to produce hardware, desktop and mobile application and search engine technologies. For instance, Google continuously introduce new and unique search services such as a Google Pay peer payments in 2014 and improvements in Google Docs and Drive. Besides this, Google on differentiation strategy. The genetic of differentiation means that Google must maintain its competitive advantage based on uniqueness. Moreover, Google is fastest engine rather than Yahoo, Bing, Gentex, RU because it's find everything immediately which are need. Apart from this, the company has developed Chrome browser and a wide range of the products, the service which are useful. Not only this, if I talk about the Google strategic competitive example, what of course, I believe that the best way to understand this concept is to take a look on some practical cases, some of the most brilliant differentiation strategy. For example, Apple, Coca-Cola Company, Rolls-Royce cars, what more. If I talk about the Google, I will elaborate in the line graph. I'll explain about Google in the line graph. If I talk about Google recorded inclining trend rather than others, it was reported to be nearest 100% from January 2010 to January 2022, but others showed 0% in all given the year period. And only Wing showed 5% from starting to end of the year. So always Google was highest, which the line graph showed us. And there are the identifying share of the competitors in search engine market. Although There are only countable competitors for the Google search engine industry. The figure depicted can point out of the consistent market leader position of the company of the over decade. So now I will further slides to the Navas.
Hi everyone, I'm talking about operation of the Google. The product design is mainly depend upon research that done on a specific market. The trend going on obviously forecasting. The mobile and desktop are built on the basis of future expectations. The first thing is quality management. For an error-free design, we should consider repetitive testing, innovative ideas, user environment also very important for error-free design. The second one is process and capacity design. Internet is used for web-based activity, capacity design, and done by conventional process and contact management is done by company. The next thing is location strategy. Internet is used for the distribution of product and support activities are done by using facilities around the world. The next thing is layout design and strategy. This area mainly concentrate on workflow and facilities of the design, and always workflow is related with creative ideas. The next one is human resource and job design. This area mainly concentrate on employee smartness and ideas. Skilled and highly competitive employee always get high payment. Next one is supply and chain management. Advanced information systems are used for the management of supply management, demand prediction done by inventory record. The next one is inventory management. Different inventory is used for different business. Automation is done web-based and software product. The next one is scheduling. Employees are scheduled for check and monitoring productivity level. Application of automation comes here. The last thing is maintenance. Dedicate teams of maintenance information system serves and facilitate now as operation support that keep all unique and activities to run smoothly and formed. The next slide is going to explain Mr. Shibin. Shibin, you can continue now.
Okay, hi all. I am going to talk about Google marketing strategy. Apple INC marketing app is the most effective of all strategies. Free for all. The promise of the free and open platform attracts many users because there is no expense or risk involved in trying at a Google search. A conversational culture has been established by Google, which has promoted a lively exchange of ideas by adding a dynamic Google has attempted to give a page some life. It is a two-way discourse that life purpose and a sense of community. Product quality. By establishing a product of authority and occupying the position at the top of the authority, the Google provides a quality product. Additionally, Google established webmaster blog and any other advertising content that authority claim about the brand. So it should be highlighted that the corporation uses a self-promotion. When we come to the conclusion, Google uses a strategy of product diversification. The the strategy for marketing penetration is nevertheless also very obvious. The company marketing statics are very integrated with their differentiating strategy. Google has a places a strong emphasis on automated and cutting method in its operational management activities. So I would like to thanks all my professors and my friends who make this presentation very successful. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you all.
Thank